Once she's done, you're going to use Swipe to remove the dispersion layer. You're going to take your choice of hand file or a medium to fine arbor band and file it into shape. Again, notice the control around the cuticle and through the body. Again, whatever pieces of mylar that are sticking up, it doesn't matter because you're going to be able to file those little pieces away. Alright, once you have the surface completely filed, you're going to make sure that all the edges have been properly removed from the surface. We're going to get ready to buff it into shape and get ready for our finish application. Your choice of sponge buffer. Alright, she's going to use the manicure brush, dust off all the dust. Make sure that we have a nice clean surface to work with. She's going to use a little bit of Swipe to remove the dust, oils, and contaminants from the surface. Going to take a little bit of finish, very gentle application from cuticle to free edge. Make sure that you don't overwhelm the surface so that it actually spills into the cuticle area. Again, you just want a nice thin application. Cuticle to free edge. Notice how she's actually holding the finished bottle in the palm of her hand and balancing her finger for ease of application. This way you don't have to continuously go from the table to the surface of the nail. The bottle's right there for you to use. Once she's done applying the finish gel, she's going to go inside the light, cure it for 2 minutes. Once it's done curing, you're going to use your rose oil to condition the cuticle area. And voila, perfection.